welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and today we're making peach cobbler. So one of my favorite things about spring and summer are the things that we cook. And I love to make so many different things on the barbecue. I think in the summertime we use our barbecue so much. Anything that I'm making for supper pretty much I will put in the barbecue. Pizzas to vegetable packs, like you name it, I'm putting it in the barbecue because it just keeps the house nice and cool. But one of my favorite things to make through the spring and summer is peach cobbler. And this recipe that I'm going to be making today was a recipe from my grandmother. She died of breast cancer when I was about 4 or 5 years old, somewhere in there. And she was an amazing cook. Like, she has so many recipes that were handed down that she made that my family made growing up all the time. And I absolutely love this peach cobbler. It is such a different kind of cobbler than what I normally notice gets made with like blueberries and strawberries and stuff like that. I love peach cobbler, and so I'm so excited to share this recipe that was my grandmother's. When you find recipes that have been handed down through generations, keep those and hold on to those because those are usually really good. And this recipe was the same thing. It's been handed down to the different generations, and I'm so excited to get to show you my peach cobbler recipe.
Now, to start things off, you're going to mix 1 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of melted butter together. Once that's well blended, you're going to add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and you're going to mix all of this together. Now you're going to add 1/2 cup of milk, and you're going to blend this together till it's nice and creamy, almost the consistency of a cake batter. Now you're going to grab your baking dish. I usually use a 9x9 baking dish for one recipe, or you can use an oblong dish just like this one. Then you're going to put all your cake batter down at the bottom and just spread it around. So now it's time for the peaches. I'm going to use 1 large can of peaches. I'm going to spoon out the peaches onto the top of the cake. Once the cake is covered with peaches, I will start to pour the juice from the can on top. Now, you don't want to necessarily use all of the juice, depending on how cakey you want it and how gummy you want it. Depends on how much broth you add. The more broth, the more gummy it'll be. The less broth you use, the more cakey it will be. So it's up to you. You're going to bake the cobbler at 350 for 30 minutes, and when you pull it out, this is what it should look like. It smells amazing, it looks amazing, and yes, it tastes amazing.
So I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below what you thought. Do you like it a little gummier or a little cakier? Which do you prefer? Also, for those of you who are new to this channel and you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And for those who are new to this channel and would like to see more of what I put out, you can hit that red subscribe button down below. If you would like to be notified of any videos that I have come out, you can hit that little bell down next to the red subscribe button, and that will just notify you whenever I have a new video that comes up. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Enjoy the spring. We did finally get spring and there's no snow on the ground. Praise the Lord for that. And we're starting to get to wear short sleeves again. And so I'm really excited. I'm feeling great about the weather. And so I hope you are too. We'll see you later. Bye.